In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. I change my default apps on every device I'm testing, and here's the fastest way to do it on this OPPO. But before we will start changing your apps, you need to access Play Store first and download any app you wish to set up as your new default one. In my case, Firefox. When you're ready, you can access Devices Settings and scroll down to click on Apps. Over here. Don't worry, I tested it before recording, so I'm sure it will work for you. Click on Default Apps and tap on any section you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now tap on your new app you wish to apply, and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!